Alright, how's it going everyone? Got a quick video for you here. This is a look at the Zippo HeatBank 9S. I picked this up from Costco since we are in the winter kind of season at the moment, where a hand warmer could come in handy quite often. And it was also on sale for pretty cheap actually. I think it was only $8, I believe. $8 to $10 or something. Really good. But anyway, yeah, I basically picked it up because I'm going to be traveling around here pretty soon in some fairly cold climates, and it'd be nice to have just a little bit of warmth. But yeah, so basically that is what this is. It's a hand warmer, but it's also a dual purpose in the fact that it is a power bank for your smartphone as well. So you can top up your smartphone if you're running low on its battery. So here it is. Again, you get that lanyard, so you can strap it onto something if you need. You got its charging cable, which is standard USB to mini USB. This is not charged via USB-C, unfortunately, so it's a little bit outdated in that respect. And then we have the actual charger, and then there's that spot for your lanyard. And then on the bottom here is where we have our ports and or controls. So you have a USB port for the charging of your phone, and then that mini USB port in, which is for this cable here, so you can charge the actual device. And then we have 3 LED indicators, as well as a power on and off button. So if you press the power button once, it goes into two blue LEDs. Press it a second time. Basically that gives you your battery status. If you hold it down, it goes into a single blue LED, which now you're in the heating mode, which is the lowest setting. Then you press it again to go to medium, and then you can have it on the highest warming setting. So when you have blue LEDs indicated in the heat mode, that means both sides of the hand warmer will heat. And you have 3 modes, so you have low, medium, high. Now if you press it again, you go into green, and the green mode or green LED means that only one side of the hand warmer will heat, not both, and that will conserve power if you need to do so. And again, you have 3 different heating modes: low, medium, and high. And then when you press it again, it goes back to the single mode, true double-sided. So a lot of different modes, a lot of different options for this particular device, which is really, really nifty. And then to turn it off, you just hold it down once for a couple seconds, and there you go. So now the unit is turned off. So pretty cool. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button down below. Both of those greatly help out the channel. And if you guys, of course, have any comments about this device, drop those down below. And I will see you guys in the next one.